Foundation Batch 2019 at the Digoli Pukhuri Center. So this was my first attempt at the NEET exam. I appeared for the NEET 2021 and I was able to secure 611 marks this year in my very first attempt. I'm feeling really great. 2 years of effort is really a great effort, and it is not that only I have done the efforts. The effort have also been carried out by all the faculty, the entire PNC family, my parents and my elder sister. So everyone has supported, and so in the end, when I'm able to fulfill their dreams and I'm able to bring happiness to their face, I'm able to bring a smile to their face, so it gives me a lot of joy, and at this moment I'm feeling really great. PNC Education has provided a great role in my success. Basically, I come from North Lakhimpur, which means that Guwahati is not my hometown. So I come here, and it is obvious that when I come from a different place, it is easy to get distracted by all these things around us. So when I was enrolled into PNC Educations, the first thing I got is a proper study environment. They provided me a good environment where I can study and learn things, and all the teachers provided me good guidance on how to be a good student, how to learn things from around us and not to be distracted. The second thing is that the teachers are really good mentors. They provided not only educational support but also moral support. They supported us in every way, helped us to overcome our mistakes, overcome any other sorts of difficulties and everything. So PNC Educations is a great platform which really helped me to achieve the position in which I am today. The ANTS is a really good test series. I'd like to say that anyone who is aspiring for a good rank or good marks in the NEET examination should take the ANTS test series. The questions are really well balanced, and from every chapter and every topic questions are covered, so that whenever you are sitting in the real examination hall, you do not feel that the questions are foreign or they have come from some other topics. So everything is covered really well, and if you attempt the questions daily, if you attempt all the tests regularly, then during the exam time your nervousness will be very minimum, which is really important, because it is natural to get very nervous during the examination. So that really helped me. As for the study material, I'd like to say it's really good. It is not very text heavy, but the thing is that the text there is compensated by whatever is taught in the classroom. So the most important aspect is to use them in a proper way. It is not that we can only study the module. We have to do module plus notes plus other reference books plus whatever guidance is provided by our teachers along with our practice material, so that it becomes a total comprehensive course, and then we are able to attempt all the questions properly without doing several mistakes, with minimum mistakes, and we can take a good grip of our mistakes and keep recollecting them, so that in the main exam we do not lose a lot of marks due to silly mistakes. My next goal, I would like to say that at this moment I have not thought about anything specific. However, the thing is that I have chosen this field of medicine because I really want to serve my community. So my very immediate thing, if I'd like to say, is to study well and to become a good doctor, so that I can serve the people well and serve my community. So everyone, including me, my family, my well-wishers, and everyone is having really high hopes on me that I will become a good doctor and be able to serve them and take care of them. So this is my dream. And about specialty or PG stream, this I have not thought anything in particular. Once I get admission into MBBS, then hopefully I'll have a clearer path. The mentorship program is a special program that is initiated by our PNC Educations. Whatever happens is that every group is assigned a particular teacher, so that they can personally guide them. The faculty will know you personally. So knowing them personally is one of the very important aspects, because what happens is that they will know in which specific areas you need help, which specific areas you are having difficulty, and which specific areas you can improve and polish yourself, so that you cannot make silly mistakes. Because very frequently what happens is that whenever questions are too easy, we tend to do mistakes in those questions more. So and along with the mentorship program, they organize daily special tests so that we can cover up whatever is being taught, and we can do a regular practice of questions, which really helps in time management, because time is becoming an increasingly important factor in the NEET exam. Number of questions are increasing, but the number of time is consistent, and in the exam hall days probably someone will come to take your photos, someone will come to check your documents. So it is very important to have a good grasp of time management while you are in your preparation phase, so that you do not face any difficulty in the main exam. So first of all, for all the upcoming aspirants of NEET 22, I'd like to wish them all the best from my side. They do not need to fear. Whatever few things I'd like to tell them what I have done to be successful and what mistakes they should not make. First of all, they should make short notes, because it is very important that you make short notes for quick revision before the exam, because whatever happens is that you have a lot of copies and notebooks in the end, and you have a lot of material to cover, which in the end becomes difficult. So if you keep short notes at hand, it will be very good. Second thing is, you will need to do all the previous year questions and all the previous year papers. It will be the most crucial determining factor, because it will map you with the upcoming paper. Thirdly, I like to say that follow the advice of your teachers, do the mentorship properly, attend regular tests, do daily practice questions, and the rest of the things, of course, the teachers will be able to give a better guidance. Thank you everyone, and all the best for the upcoming NEET aspirants.